Hi, this is the recording for continuous integration assignment for applied capstone project. My name is Lubna and I will start by explaining what continuous integration is. So, continuous integration, or CI for short, is a development practice where developers frequently integrate their code to a shared repository, which happens multiple times a day. So each integration is automatically verified by an automated process and like build and test, which allows the developers to detect any problems or vulnerabilities earlier. So the main goal of the CI is to avoid the common issues with integration, where merging multiple codes from multiple developers become very hard. So by integrating small and incremental changes regularly, CI ensures that the workspace is always in a work state. One of the tools of the continuous integration is Jenkins, which automate this process by checking errors, applying tests, and even deploy the app if new code was pushed to the GitHub. This was my part, and we will go further in details with Dimitro after that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mitcho and today I will speak about why is the CI widely used in the industry. So CI is widely used because it brings real value to the teams and companies of all sizes. So let's talk about why. So the first is the faster development and safer releases. With the CI, teams can integrate changes more frequently, sometimes even multiple times a day. So the second one is automated testing reduces human error. Every time a developer pushes the code, automated tests run immediately. So this helps catch bugs before they make it to the production. The third one is a clean, consistent code base. CI often includes code linters and formatters, which enforce best practices and makes the code easier to read and maintain, of course. And the last one is easier collaboration in a team, and I think it's the most important one. When multiple developers work on the same project, merging code can be risky. So CI helps by testing changes as they come in. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hello professor. My name is Hu Đức Huy Nguyễn. And in this part, I will say about how the CI could be utilized in our project, even though it's still a small project. So you can see right here is the CI/CD pipeline, and I'm talking about this step, the CI pipeline. So in our small project, we're using the CI to help us catching the issues early and keep our code base stable. So every time someone processes new code to the shared repository, the CI pipeline will automatically run a set of predefined tasks. These tasks can include like installing dependency, running automation testing, integration test, running the unit test, and building the code. So in this way, we can quickly see if the new code breaks anything before it can be merged to the main branch or developer branch, dev branch, or master branch, or something like that. So even though our project is still small, the CI saves us a lot of time. So instead of checking manually if everything still works after change or merge, the Jenkins will handle that further. So it gives us a faster feedback, much debugging easier, and helps us ensure that we are always working with reliable code. So in the next part of the video, Josie will show a live demonstration of Jenkins automated one of these tasks, which is the unit test task. We only just config to run the unit test task to for the demo purpose. So you can see how it works in our project in action. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Joshi and I'll be demonstrating how our group has introduced Jenkins in our project to automate the testing part. So as you can see here, this is our Jenkins file in the project repository of our backend. And it has some stages right here. It checks out the source code, then install dependencies, run the test cases, then also build the final JavaScript version, and also does the security audit. These are some of the things that our pipeline is currently doing. And in my terminal, I have pushed some changes recently to my feed Joshi unit test branch. And once I push those changes here in my backend, you can see 5 minutes 46 seconds ago, in the output, you can see that it has done all the stages that I have described in my Jenkins file right here. So it sets up local environment to run the test cases. So it is installing all the packages here. Then it goes on to run the test cases using just right here. And yeah, these are the other things that follows the pipeline. Now that's it. That's for the status of Jenkins in our project right now, how we have used it. Thank you.